What's up, everybody? It's your friend Ricky J. Alvarez here, Ricky the Realtor with Boulevard Real Estate and Alvarez and Associates. And it's a pleasure. Thank you once again for joining us, supporting us, and tuning in, more importantly. So once again, this is Raw and Uncut Real Estate. Now this is episode number 56 now. So we're at 56 episodes, guys, and today's we got a little secret for you guys. So don't tell nobody. But secret is, inventory's back. So we just want to prepare everybody, let you guys know that you're getting a lot of whispers, a lot of noise by our inspectors, by our colleagues, that inventory is coming back. I myself got a bunch of listings coming up. Calistoga, Oakley, gosh, where else will we go? Pittsburgh, Antioch. We got 4 new listings coming pretty soon. I drew a little blank there because we got so much new inventory coming, and at the same time, I'm not the only one, guys. So just want to prepare everybody and make this quick little video so you guys can stay prepared and ultimately be ready to go when opportunity comes to light, and that you're ready to jump on those opportunities as well. So for all you buyers out there, make sure that you are talking to your realtors, talking to your lenders, staying very, very top of mind, that you're understanding how interest rates are fluctuating, understanding your budget. More than anything, that you're just keeping everybody in the loop, because once inventory hits, you want to be able to jump on that opportunity. You want to be able to get out there, see these homes, because there is still going to be competition out there, guys. I'm not telling you there's going to be no competition, but I will tell you you're going to have more options, more opportunities for you as well. So keep that in mind. Make sure you're staying in communication with your lender, your realtor, and that ultimately that we do everything we can, if we're helping you or not, to support you and help you find that dream home, that next chapter in your novel, and more importantly, that we help you achieve your goals. So for you sellers out there, I want to let you know that this does not mean that you're not going to get top dollar. This does not mean that you're not going to be able to sell your home, stuff like that. We just have to be a little bit more conscious that there's going to be more competition for you in the marketplace. There's not going to be 1 or 2 houses available probably in your price point. There's going to be multiple. So I want to make sure that we're pricing your home right, where we're doing all the necessary updates and making your home truly shine with marketing and top, really beautiful photography, and just doing all the top tier things we can do to help you sell your property for the highest value, that we're not cutting any corners, and ultimately that we're advising you on what we need to do to get your home market ready, so that these buyers, when they're looking at your home, can get very emotional, can see the value, and ultimately fall in love with your home to write you a really, really good offer. So there's plenty of things out there that are going to be happening, a lot of movement in the market, guys. We're going to probably see a little shift here. We're going to start to probably see the market even out a little bit more. But that's a great news for everybody. That just means that buyers have more opportunities. That means that sellers, we need to be that much more educated and prepared when bringing your home onto the market. But that's what we're here to do. We're the experts. We're going to help you and guide you throughout the process. So if there's anything we can ever do to help you, don't hesitate to reach out. If you need anything, we're always happy to help. And if we're in your area or not, we have a bunch of referral partners throughout the state, throughout California. That's what I meant to say, throughout California and the entire country. So if there's anything ever we can do to help you, don't hesitate to reach out. It'll be our pleasure to serve you. Once again, this is Raw Uncut Real Estate, episode number 56 now for Raw Uncut Real Estate, and this is all about inventory is back. So don't tell nobody. Buyers, keep that to yourselves. Contact me. We'll get you out there, get you looking at property, get you prepared. And sellers, we'll get you prepared as well. We'll do everything we can to achieve your goals. So that's what we're here to do. Once again, thank you. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you very soon, guys. Thank you. Later.